want to build your online funnel, I mean sales funnel or any other type of funnel, just stop here and watch the full video and don't skip any part because full video is very important. So hello everyone and welcome back to Digital Vaigyanik YouTube channel where we talk about science of digital marketing, and my name is Manvindra Chaudhary and I'm a digital marketing specialist. So if you're trying to build your own online sales funnel, try multiple options for or search for multiple options like ClickFunnels, which is a very costly tool. But here in this video I'm talking about System.io. I will create a complete free funnel in this video. This System.io platform provides you up to 2000 contacts for free, means you can create your funnel and build your audience up to 2000, and if you want more you can purchase their plans. And as you can see in pricing, here you will see all the plans and pricing, like for how many bucks you will get how many contacts, as I'm just showing you. For $0 here to 2000 contact, $27 a month, 5000 contacts, and $47 a month that include 10,000 contacts, and that is costly again, unlimited contacts. But I'm here to tell you how to create a free sales funnel with System.io. So just start with, let's go to its homepage and you can click on get my free account or enter email address here and then click on get free account. But I'm already signed up with System.io, so I will just click on sign in button. I have entered my email ID and password, then click on just sign in button. Once you signed in System.io, then you have to go to funnels and click on funnels. As you can see here, I have two funnels, which is new demo and then System.io. I'm going to delete these two funnels, deactivate, then confirm, and create a new funnel from scratch for you. So just let's delete them out. I want to get Facebook ads clients for my digital agency, so I have a free course which is Facebook ads lead gen ninja. I'll send my traffic to FBAds lead gen ninja course, which is a free course, and then everyone who get this course, I'll after contact them and ask them if they want any help with Facebook ads, if they want any help with their lead generation strategy, then they can hire us. So this is my plan. So let's say we are going to start our funnel right here. So don't skip any part of the video. So as you can see on the screen here, there are no funnels and I have deleted all the funnel, and I will start from scratch and show you how I build my funnel. So let's click on create button, and then my name is Manvindra, and this is your funnel domain, which is manvindra.system.io. You can change this thing, but I want this domain name. So then we'll click on, if you want to sell your products, then you have to click on sell, or if you want to build an audience, you have to click on build audience, or if you don't want any template, just click on custom and create your funnel from scratch. So I'll create my funnel from scratch and click on custom. Then I have to select my currency, so Indian rupees, I think. Okay, this is Indian rupees, and I'll click on just save button, and here you can see my funnel is first step is completed. So after completing first step, we have to click on the funnel name. So I have just click here, and then we have to add all these steps in our funnel. First step will be course opt-in. This is course opt-in. So and then you have to select your this page type. Okay, this will be a squeeze page. This is a squeeze page because I want to collect information, or I want to say email address of my audiences. So just click on save button, and here is our first step, and we have to configure our page. So we have to select one of the templates available here. So just let's have a look. There are lots of free templates that you can use for your funnel, but I want something very simple. Let's select this one. So I will just select this template and edit it. This is our URL, but I want to first edit. Okay, edit page. This is an edit page button, and here you have to edit your first page according to your need. So this or not is very important. So just I'll click on delete button. So I've deleted that thing, and after that I will edit this. Get a free access to our Facebook ad lead gen ninja course, and generate your first 1000 lead in next 10 days. So I'll just edit this thing, and I want to delete this section from here, and I will just keep an YouTube. So I want to put a YouTube video here. So I'll just go to my channel. So guys, this is my YouTube channel, and as you can see here, there are only 1170 subscribers. So please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like our videos and watch our all videos, and these videos are very important. So I'll just go to content. So this is my introduction video, which is for our course introduction. So I'll just put that thing here, and if I want to edit autoplay, I want to autoplay on, control. I will click on control. I will turn off the control, and I'll click on soft shadow, and then border radius. This will be the, okay, I want like this. Okay, this looks good, and I'll just go to more settings, margin, okay, delay. Okay, I've done all the settings regarding to my video. Okay, this is the title, a small description, and our VSL, which means video sales letter, and start using all our CRM. I'll just delete this thing, and I want to delete all the unnecessary things. Just delete all the unnecessary things and put the things you really want. So just wait a minute. Okay, so I have deleted all the unnecessary things, and I will just put an opt-in form here. Just click on element, and then we have to add here a form. As you can see here, this is a form input, so I'll just put that. And if I click on edit this button and click on edit setting, which type of input, this is their first name. Okay, I have to enter these things: first name, font size, these things, icon. Okay, first name, and then second I have to enter another thing, form input. Then I'll enter their last name. This is last name, and then first name, last name. If you don't want last name, just click on delete button, just like this. I just want first name and email address, so I'll just click on import input form and select email address from this setting, email address, and that's it. It looks good. And then we have to put here and submit button. So let's see, where's the submit button. Okay, this is the submit button, and we have to edit this text: send form, show pop-up, open URL, next step URL, or download file. So I just want to send this form, or do you want to redirect users to contact after contact registration? Yes, I want if anyone submit this form and get my free Facebook ad course, then he will go to another step, which is our step 2. So we'll just click on to the next step. Do you want to enable double opt-in? No, we don't want that. Flood, full width. Okay, we just want flood, and click here, get free access now. Get free access now, and we have to get free access now, same font, and then we'll delete this thing from here. And okay, get free access now, and everything looks good. So I have to save changes. So all these changes have been saved, so just click on exit button. So as you can see, our first step is completed. After first step, if someone submit the form and get our free access to our Facebook ads course, then where he will go to thank you page. So let's say we have to create a thank you page. So let's say, and there is a opt-in thank you. Now I'll choose here from a thank you page, which is okay, this is the thank you page, and then click on save button, and our second step is created, and we have to configure this second step. So let's say, I think my internet is very slow, so let's say, okay, this looks good. Okay, this looks good very, or thank you for purchasing. So I'll just choose this template, and click on select button, and I'll just edit this form first, and edit page, click on edit page. Okay, so as I already told this, I don't want these things, so I'll just delete them all, and thank you. So I'll just write here, thank you, you will get free course access on your email. Okay, you will get your course access on your email, and I'll just delete one by one all of them. All of these things I want to delete. So let's say delete button, and again click on delete, and again click on delete. I want this background image to be deleted, so that's why I will click on setting button, and then I'll go to this background, and then click on delete. Okay, and then I have to actually change the text color from here. Okay, let's go to text and we have to change text color. Select all, black. Okay, this, and then from here I will choose this color. You will get free course access on your email, and then I'll just click on a copy button and click on edit, and then I'll edit some text from here. Okay, do you want us to generate leads for your business? Do you want to generate leads for your business? And then do you want to generate leads for your business? Yes. And then I'll just click on that, this join our button. I have this consultation page. If you want my services, if you want my digital marketing or Facebook ad or Google ad services, you just have to come to this digitalvaigyanik.com/consult. I will provide this link in my description section, and you will be able to book consultation with me like this, and whatever time you choose. So let's say this, I want this URL, and I will paste here URL as some. If someone clicks on this button, he will go to this page. So let's close this and come back to our editor, and let's say what things we can edit here. Okay, everything looks fine. So I'll just edit this text. I'll just edit this text. So book a free consultation. Let's discuss your business growth. So book a free consultation with me, and here our second step is done. And then I'll just click on save button and click on exit button. As you can see here, I just created a funnel for my digital marketing agency to book more Facebook ads clients. And if I want to add more steps to it, and I have to purchase their plan. So if you want more steps or more features, you can go to upgrade your plan and choose your suitable plan, like $27 per month, or a bigger plan maybe. And let's close this, and my funnel is completed here, and I will show you how this works. So let's say I will come back to funnel list. So our funnel is ready. Let's see how this look like, and I will create this three dot icon and just click on view button, and here's the magic. As you can see here, get free access to our Facebook ads lead gen ninja course. This is our VSL, and there are no control. No one can skip this video. They just can pause or resume this video. And this is the video of VSL, which is called video sales filter. And then they have option to fill their name and email address, which is an opt-in form. So let's fill our name, Manvindra, and I'll choose Digital Vaigyanik. Okay, I will choose my email address @gmail.com, and just click on get free access now. As I click on get free access, this is again see, thank you. You will get free course access on your email. Do you want us to generate leads for your business? Let's discuss your growth. I told my users that they will get the course access to their Gmail. If anyone submit this form, they will get a free access with automation tools like Zapier or maybe Pebble Connect. To do this, I will just connect my this system.io to Pebble, and when someone fill the form, information will go to Pebble, and from Pebble an email will be automatically sent to the customers, and they will get the access. So I have explained you how my users will get free access to my course, and once they will come to this thank you page, then here is an option. You will get free access to this email. I have already explained to you how this works. Do you want us to generate leads for your business? Let's discuss your business growth. And once user click on this book a free consultation with me, they will be redirected to my consultation page, which is a digitalvaigyanik.com/consult, and from here they will be able to book consultation. So let's say they will get this 8 p.m 12 a.m confirm, and name, email address, all they have to fill all this information from where they prefer Zoom or Google Meet. After filling all the information, they will just click on submit button, schedule event, and an appointment will be booked with me. So this is how it works. As you have already seen how I created a completely free funnel. For free, you will be able to get 2000 contacts and maximum 2 steps in every funnel. But if you want to upgrade, if you want more features, you have to simply upgrade this tool. If you like this video, this information is helpful to you, just smash the like button and subscribe to our channel Digital Vaigyanik, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will never forget to watch my videos. And we'll meet next time. Until bye bye.